Hello, this painting I'm calling Sitting Red. It's done on terraskin paper. And first of all, I painted some yellow and I used ink, India ink for that. And then I poured acrylic with a pouring medium over top. I used magenta, red, yellow, gold, and a bit of copper. And you can just see some brilliant colors coming out. I also used some interference paint, some red, violet, and gold. What's amazing about this particular painting, it originally was on a large terraskin sheet, 28 by 40, and it didn't look very good at all. But I saw that the top piece had created an amazing motif with actually a head at the front. And so I cut it and made it into a 12 by 36-inch painting. And when you apply the acrylic over the terraskin, you end up with this luscious, shiny, almost leather-like appearance. This painting is dry right now, but it does look like it's wet. I'm going to be donating this painting, the proceeds of the sales of this painting, to the IRSSS, so the Indian Residential School Survivors Society. It will be hanging at Here's the Thing Winery on the Black Sage Bench for the month of September. And hopefully we sell it by then. And if not, then we'll probably hang it, hopefully, at the Soyuz Art Gallery for the month of October. This is a one-of-a-kind painting, and it's quite amazing. This could be one of my best ones so far. Thank you for viewing.